Hello and welcome to the CTO Show with Mehmet. My name is Mehmet, and in each episode, I will be exploring the latest trends, insights, and strategies in topics like cybersecurity, digital transformation, emerging tech, startups, and entrepreneurship. From thought leaders and innovators to entrepreneurs and founders, we will hear from experts across a wide range of industries who are driving change and making an impact in the world of tech and business. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get started. In today's episode, we will be discussing automation in business and its potential benefits for companies. Automation is the use of technology to automate repetitive or time consuming tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. In business, this can include anything from manufacturing processes to customer service to financial analysis. Automation can help companies to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the overall customer experience. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can free up employees to focus on more strategic or creative work and ultimately drive greater innovation and competitiveness. The history of automation in business can be traced back to the Industrial Revolution, where machines were first used to perform manual labor. Since then, automation has evolved to include a wide range of technologies, including robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Today, automation is being used in a variety of industries like manufacturing, software development, finance, customer service, and more. Automation in manufacturing, for example, is being used to improve processes such as assembly and quality control. In software development, automation is being used to streamline tasks such as testing and deployment. In finance, automation is being used to detect fraud and make investment decisions. In customer service, automation is being used to improve the overall customer experience. The benefits of automation in business are many. Automation can help companies improve, as I said, efficiency and reduce costs by eliminating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes. In addition, companies are seeing better customer experience because they are able to provide faster and more personalized services for their clients. However, there's nothing without challenges and risks. And to highlight some of these challenges, the biggest one is usually tied to are machines replacing us humans, particularly in some industries that rely heavily on manual labor. Now, thinking a little bit in a futuristic way, I would say we have to prepare ourselves, we have to prepare our children for the future. Now, if you think about what happened 100 years ago, for example, people used to ride horses. There were some people who used to distribute the mail manually, right? So technology came and disrupted these industries or markets, and some of the jobs also disappeared because of that. So think about a typewriter. So now you have computers and then you have printers and so on. What I want to say is, yes, it's a fact that automation and robotics and similar technologies will make some jobs obsolete. And this is our mission to educate people on what could be a potential future profession for them. It's a very important topic that it deserves to have a focus on. Another challenge when it comes to automation, and because it touches on artificial intelligence, machine learning, is the privacy and security of data. Because to take decisions, these automation tools or software, they would rely on data collection, and data should be secured. We should make sure that the privacy policies are met, And of course, we need to make sure that we don't have data breaches, and we discussed data breaches in the previous episode. So this is another challenge. The last thing is the ethical aspects of that, because when we talk now automation, we talk about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and we need to make sure that these models are not biased. So we keep the ethical aspect also as well. And this is also one of the challenges of introducing this new generation of automation to the business or to the companies. Looking to the future, the potential use cases of automation in business are very, very big. In healthcare, automation can be used to streamline patient care, improve outcomes. In transportation, automation can improve the safety and reduce congestion. In agriculture, automation can be used to improve efficiency and reduce waste. As businesses continue to adopt the new technologies, I'm sure that, of course, we will face more challenges. Of course, we will have a lot of obstacles down the road, but we need to always see the outcome, and we need to understand that the outcome of automation is to make our lives easier, to give us some time back. So this is something I believe it's important to keep investing in automation. And of course, we need to make sure that whatever we are applying, we need to have reliable automated systems. We need to have secure automated systems. And this would also require from companies to have careful planning and execution for the benefits of automations and how this will shape the future down the road. I hope you enjoyed this episode today. As usual, if you have any feedback, if you have any question, if you want to suggest any topic for the podcast, I would be more than happy to talk to you. You can reach me by email or Twitter or LinkedIn. And until we meet again in the next episode, stay safe. Bye-bye.